So it's the mid 2000s, and you're tired of getting outrun by your buddy's Ford Lightning, but you're a diehard Chevy guy. So what do? You go buy a brand new Chevrolet pickup and have a magnet charger put on it. Saw this thing at Pigeon Forge Rod Run, insanely clean, insanely papawed up. I mean, it's got all your gaudy billet on it. You'll see it in the video. But only 18,000 miles. This thing was obviously somebody's baby. Makes decent power. These trucks, I guess, were similar to the Joe Gibbs trucks. They factory built with the supercharger. I kind of show all the stuff here. I didn't get a very good photos or video of it, I guess. But basically, bought it, took it straight to the dealer, had it built, 18,000 miles, supercharger. I forget what no, there was no price on it. That's right. I don't even know what they're asking for this thing, but it's got to be out of sight, I'm sure. But super clean truck. Like I said, a little papawed up. Yeah, you'll see the Chevrolet on the back. He was proud that he got a Chevrolet, not a Lightning. I'm afraid the Lightning's still going to outrun it. Sorry to tell you, Grandpa. But cool truck nonetheless. Definitely a unique piece for somebody to pick up and hopefully take all the tacky stuff off of and beat the crap out of. But anyway, I'll show you the rest of the truck here. Be sure you hit that like button. Be sure you subscribe. It's been a little bit longer than normal 828 Quick Flicks.